My name is Max. This is EntrepreNerd. We are going to be building more of our awesome little web app today. So it's going to be sort of a web app. It's more going to be a listing website for no-code templates, and we're calling it Beyta. We prototyped this really quickly on Softer a few episodes back, and it was really great, and we had a lot of fun. But now we realize that Softer, as a tool, can't really hold what we need, or at least it can, but it's a little too expensive. So we're rebuilding it completely custom on a tool called Webflow. We are using not of course, but we're using a tool called JetBoost along with Webflow to make the entire thing a little bit smoother. So we can sort and shift through templates a lot easier. But the goal is, when I'm building something new, right, and I want to just whip it up off of a template, there are so far that I've found 70 different website tools and probably 20 different app building tools, at least. So when I'm building a new website or a new app or a new mobile app or a new desktop app, I don't know what tool to go with. I could go with my favorites. That sounds fine, and that's wonderful. But if I'm really just looking to whip something up insanely quickly, a lot of the other tools that I use, or tools that I'm not even comfortable with yet, have templates that are just done, right? Just done. So I wanted to create a listing of all the different templates that I could find on the internet, so we can sort and shift through them really, really easily and really, really quickly find what we're looking for so we can build our next project just like that, right? Versus, that's the logo, and I'm going to give it, no, not an external URL. What? How? External URL, what? The hell? This tab, new tab, preload, default. How is, oh, wait, that's what it links to. Okay. Show all settings. Is it an image? I don't get it. Is it, oh, it's just a text block. Got it. Okay. So we're going to have to add an image. Let's go find an image. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Upload the new one. Come on, honey. That's too big. That's too fucking big. All right. Let's go here. Max width. 10. Oh, not 0. 10%. Let's do it. 20. How's that? How about 25? Okay, that's not bad. That looks cute as fuck. Find a no-code template across tools to launch in minutes. I'm going to. This is a heading wrapper. I'm going to add a div block right in here. I'm going to move this into here. Now it's in a div block. And then I'm going to make this div block horizontal. Yes, of course. I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to add another bit of text. There we go. And this is not going to be main heading. I'm going to delete that. Remove that class. Actually, no. I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to duplicate the class. And this is going to be secondary heading. That's hearing. Secondary heading. And then I should be able to manipulate this one's base a little bit. So let's go to typography. Let's go to 30. Looks good to me. And then I want this heading wrapper to have a whole chunk of space. And I want this to be facing left. Find no-code template across tools to launch in minutes. And then we wanted to say something along the lines of if you're new to no code, subscribe. Check out our newsletter. No Code Nerd. Check out our newsletter. Actually, we don't need to. Our newsletter below. Get a full list of all the tools been able to find. Something like that. And I'm going to drop this to like 30. There we go. I like it a lot. And this button is not get a quote. This button is subscribe. Button to subscribe. Does that feel good? Bum, 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 bum. I could go up here and I could make it look like that. Yeah. Like this. Does that look better? Does that look any better? No, I liked it how it was before. Except no, hold on. Bum, 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 bum. And then the button will have margin. Now that looks stupid. But the button will have a bit of that looks fine, right? Does that look okay? I feel like that looks okay. I feel like that looks fun. I like it. Alright, no code template across tools to launch in minutes. If you're new to no code, check out our newsletter and get a full list. And get a full list of all the tools we'll be able to find when you subscribe. Seems fine. Seems okay. Beta, portfolio, about, contact. So let's make sure we have about, and we have home. What else do we need? We have an about section. Right, we wanted to add some video content that explains no code here, right? Which would be good. It would be good. Or, I don't know why I would want to split up my SEO though. So here's the theory. I was gonna say maybe I'd make a little blog on this webpage on beta.co and I write a series of no code articles. It's gonna take me fucking forever because I hate writing articles. But if I'm gonna write an article, I may as well just do it on EntrepreNerd and then link to Beta. I feel like. I don't think it would make sense otherwise. Yeah, I don't think it would make sense otherwise. Although we do need the templates template. This is what we needed to do. Yes. And that was a flexible tool, though in order to use apps built on it, then you real number of users, you'll need to pay $50 a month. Yes. I'm going to delete this container because we don't need it. Let's actually go back to home and fix up a few more things. Footer down here. Beta. And then we're going to say built by EntrepreNerd. Beta, built by EntrepreNerd. And this container is straight up going to link. Or maybe we'll put it inside a link block. Let's go over here. Container gonna put it in the link block. Yeah. Oh, why is that green now? Why is it green? Was it green before? It was not. Put a container in there. I don't want it to be green. I just want it to be normal. Ooh. Yeah. Built by EntrepreNerd. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's pretty cool. Actually, let me expand this to the entire thing. Width is like 200. Maybe it's 300. Yeah. Okay. Great. Awesome. It looks good. Pretty freaking fine. Now let's add the link. The external URL is to EntrepreNerd.blog. Yes. Actually, no. Let's just link it directly to my Twitch. I don't know. I feel like we should link it directly to the blog. Div blog. There we go. Coaching app. Div blog. Everything's good. Yep. Div block goes horizontal, yeah. Ooh. Coaching app. And then we're going to add another version of it, and this one is going to be none. And I'm just going to write from space from. Oh, come on. You gotta let me do that. You're not gonna give me spaces? You son of a... That's very annoying. So maybe I give it a little bit of padding on either side. 10. Oh, now it gives me the spaces, huh? Now you're doing it? Is that the game? Oh, no. It's still part of the main heading. That's why. 0. And then I want this to be in between text. And then I want to... Oh, now they're all in between text. Fuck. Okay, main heading. Duplicate class. In between text. In between text. And it's going to be from plus from. And it won't do that for me, which is the dumbest shit I've ever seen. So on either side, I'm going to add coaching app from. And then this is going to be from tool. Name. Haha! I don't have everything formalized yet, so I actually just today, Toast, you know how we're paying Alex for the trademark stuff? I'm probably just gonna have Alex scrape the information off of Glide and Card because I can't do it myself because it's gonna take too much time. So I'm probably just gonna pay him a bit to go and scrape both of those, and then I'm like really comfortable with where everything is.